Set foot on your land. Vacant Land Syndicate. Quality land at half price. Stoddard Valley, California. The epicenter of real off-roading experience in Southern California. Sandwiched between the exploding populations of LA and Vegas, this is the deepest well of world-class riding opportunity available in San Bernardino County. Just 10 minutes drive south of Barstow, right off exit 175 on the I-15. Sits this sprawling sunny sand arena on the edge of 53,000 acres of elite OHV land. Home to champion ATV motocross and off-road enthusiasts, this is desert playtime at its best. Go ahead and grab a fistful of this 160-acre motocross masterpiece. Thrash through desert corners and blast over ancient sand dunes while watching the sun melt into high desert mountaintops. Sit back and drink a tall one with your family and friends, and star in your own fear and loathing in San Bernardino County. This is your movie, your land. The desert humbles the meek, but smiles on the bold and wild with her legacy of liberty, strength, and spirit. If you've got the guts to invest in her potential, she'll reach back 100-fold. It's a part of what makes this country truly extraordinary. Ownership and hard work. The freedom of opportunity. Seize this piece of Mojave gold today and get on board one of the fastest trains of financial growth available in Southern California. At the Vacant Land Syndicate, we believe every person should have access to their dream. That's why every day, our family-run business scours the countryside to bring you only legendary deals like this one. Every parcel we sell is priced 50% below market value, and we stand behind our land with a friendly smile and a solid handshake. Reach out to us today and set foot on your land. Set foot on your land. Vacant Land Syndicate. Quality land at half price.